in Maryland, and Arundel, Harford, and southern Baltimore. Coastal flood advisory now in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. Coastal flood warning in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 2 a.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 2 a.m. Wednesday. The coastal flood watch is no longer in effect. Tidal anomaly, 0.5 to 1 foot above normal this morning, around 2 feet above normal later this afternoon and tonight. Timing, near times of high tide through tonight. Expected impacts, minor coastline inundation this morning and early afternoon. Potential for moderate coastline inundation late this afternoon and tonight. Here are the times of the next high tides for a few locations from north to south. On the Chesapeake Bay, Harford, 11:54 a.m. and 12:05 a.m. Bolivar, 9:24 a.m. and 10:09 p.m. Fort McHenry, Baltimore, 9:18 p.m. Annapolis, United States Naval Academy, 8 o'clock p.m. A coastal flood warning means that flooding is occurring or imminent. Coastal residents in the warned area should be alert for rising water and take appropriate action to protect life and property. A coastal flood advisory indicates that onshore winds and tides will combine to generate flooding of low areas along the shore.